Good morning students. Today I am going to tell how to make user and password in MariaDB for our mobile system. And after that, how to grant all privileges on database. Look at the screen of my mobile. On the top there is a Termux icon. It's the app of Termux. Open this Termux app, just type or copy and paste. I have already copied, so now I'm going to copy and paste. That is MySQL d underscore save space -u space root space ampersand enter. If you will see anytime this type of error, MySQL d space process space already exist, this type of error, then type kill all mysqld space mysld, not mysqld again, mysld underscore save, enter. Then again copy and paste same thing, press enter, then type mysql space -u space root, enter. Okay, now type mysql, enter. Now you can see MariaDB is open here. Now create a user name, create user and username. Take a username according to you, SHAH, for example Shahbaz MCA 2014. This is my username. You can take anyone according to you. Then type localhost in quotes. Okay, username and localhost, both of them in quotes. Then put a semicolon, press enter. Now you can see message here, query OK, 0 rows affected. Okay, it's mean your user is created with the name of Shahbaz MC 2014. Now type grant all privileges on database name. Now database name is here employees is already created in MariaDB database. Name is employees. Then put a star space tu2 and username is there. You can see Shahbaz MC 2014, S in capital and rest of them small. It must be follow capital or small letter. It is a case sensitive username or database name. To Shahbaz MC 2014 and put a @ sign is here in single quotes. Type localhost, username and localhost must be taken quotes, then put a semicolon, enter. Now you can see again query OK, 0 rows affected, message is there. It's mean your user is created with the name of Shahbaz MC 2014 and grant all privileges is given to this database, that is name is employees, to the user Shahbaz MC 2014. So now here is username Shahbaz MC 2014, host name is localhost and database name is employee. Now password. How to set a password? Just write this command, set password set password for database name username, that is Shahbaz MCA 2014. Okay, in single quotes, @ in single quotes, local host in single quotes is equal to type password 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 bracket open, take password according to you. For example, I am taking think positive in single quotes, bracket closed, put a semicolon, enter. Now you can see again message there, query okay, 0 rows affected. Okay, now if you want to see the database names, then just type show data bases, enter. Third one is there employees, the database name EMPLOYEES. E is E in capital letter and rest of them small. Now coding of Python with database connectivity. First of all, type exit from the database, then type Python. Now Python is open. Now you can type coding related to Python with database connectivity. I have already written here this one. Look, import mysql.connector as mycon, enter. Then second line of coding, con is equal to mycon dot connect, host is equal to localhost, is correct. Username Shahbaz MCA, but I have taken username is there Shahbaz MC 2014, so just editing is there. Shahbaz MCA in small letter 2014 single quotes. This is a username, comma, take password, type password first of all, is equal to password is there in single quotes. What is the password? Think positive. Think positive in single quotes, comma, space is not compulsory, then type database name, database is equal to, then database name also, type database name is there employees, then semicolon. Now you can check con is equal to mycon dot connect, bracket open, host is equal to localhost, comma, user is equal to Shahbaz MCA 2014, comma, password is equal to think positive, comma, database is equal to employees in single quotes or bracket closed, yes, then semicolon. Okay, enter. It's mean connectivity, coding of the connectivity is correct. Okay, password, username, database name, host name, all are in working. Then type or choose this coding. I have already written is here, so that's why arrow key, up arrow key, use the use the up and down arrow key. Okay, for this coding which is already exist here. If space con dot is underscore connected colon, enter. Print. In print, yes, this one, print connected, database is connected, enter. Then take else is there already, else, enter. Then type print not connected. If connection is successfully connected, then it will print connected, otherwise not connected. Enter and again enter. Now you can see message is there, connected. It means your connectivity Python coding with the database, that is MariaDB, which is like a MySQL, same as MySQL codings commands are there in MariaDB. Okay, so students, this is the process of connectivity Python with database in our mobile system. Okay, thank you so much. Try yourself. Okay, thank you, bye bye.